functions. So here you take a proper scale because amplitude is 5 and 2. You can take 1:1 scale. Scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. 1 unit because amplitude unit is not given in the problem. 1 unit. Okay. Okay. So first one, you need to draw the vertical line and the horizontal line, the thin line, that is XY direction. Okay. So I'll draw a vertical line and horizontal line for 10 centimeter each. Okay. For 10 centimeter each. Exactly 90 degree. Should be exactly 90 degree. And this line indicates it is x-axis. X-axis. This is y. Okay. You need to measure all the angles with respect to x-axis because positive x-axis is a reference line. So first one, x1 we have amplitude of 2, x1 we have amplitude of 2. So that is A1 is equal to capital A1, amplitude of first SHM is 2 unit, and the corresponding angle theta is 118.648. First you take 118.648 angle. So I am going to consider angle, I am going to measure the angle 118.64 degree for the first SHM. First SHM, the angle is theta is 118.648. So 118.648, measure this angle, and at this angle you just draw a line okay, just draw a line at angle 118.64 degree. I have drawn a line. So what is the length of the line? 2 unit. 2 unit because the amplitude is 2. The length of the line is 2 unit. Take a compass, take 2 centimeter because 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. 2 centimeter is equal to 2 unit. Cut this length. I'll cut it somewhere here. 2 centimeter by compass. This is the point. And what is this length? This is A1 is equal to 2 unit. Why 2 unit? The first SHM, we have amplitude A1 is equal to 2. It is given in the equation. Similarly, we have second equation x2. x2 is equal to 5 sine omega t plus 1 is equal to 5 into sine omega t plus 57.296. Angle is 57.296. Take 57.296 angle. I'm going to take 57.296 angle. Is almost 60 and 57. Okay. Okay. So this angle is 57.296 296 degrees. Just a minute, I'll take attendance. Some people's always joining at the end of the class. If I see the class at the end, it will be 40 or 41. Okay. So what is the length or amplitude? Amplitude is 5 unit. Cut this line, blue line, to 5 units. 5 units somewhere here. That will be somewhere here. 5 unit. So this A2 is equal to 5 unit. Cut the length by compass. That's all. So this point, let us consider A, this as point B, this as point O. Now very simple. Just draw a line. Just draw a line parallel to this line. Parallel to this line, you just draw a line through point O. Should be parallel to OA. Okay, from point B. Just draw a parallel line. This line is parallel to this line. Okay. Similarly, I am going to draw one more line which is parallel to this line through point A. So I'm going to draw a line, parallel to this line. Okay. Yeah. So I'll get a point here, intersection point. That point will take it as point C. These two lines are parallel line. Once you get point A and point B, point through point B, just draw a parallel line to OA through point B and parallel line to OB through point A. We'll get a point C. Okay. And if you join the corner with the corners, opposite corners, okay. Say I'm going to join this O with C. O with C. This is what A. What is that? Amplitude of the new wave or the new SHM. And the corresponding angle is theta. Now you measure the angle theta and value of A. Please measure the length. Measure the length of A, tell me the answer, and measure the angle theta and tell me the answer. You check these two answers with the analytical solution whether it is same or not. So the diagonal of a parallelogram ACBO is indicating the resultant SHM, the amplitude of resultant SHM, and the corresponding angle is the angle theta of a resultant SHM. Please tell me the answer for theta and A. Do it fast. I have to solve another problem. Do it fast. Tell me the answer. Am I audible? $73 really. A is 6.212. You check whether the answer is same or not. Tell me the answer in the graphical solution. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
$73, sir.
Theta is 74, 73, 74.
Tell me the exact answer. 70?
74.
Point? Exactly 74?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Exactly 74.
6.3, sir.
Yes, sir.
6 point? Yashpanta? Is it correct? 74 degree. Correct, Allah?
73.
73, exact 73 or 73.5 or something. What? Okay. Whatever it may be, whatever you are getting the answer in the graphical solution, you write that answer. Okay, don't copy from slide. You need to measure and check it. So write the implication. So here 73, but analytical solution it is around 73.708. Very near, right? Only small difference will be there always. So next is 6.212 is here, but here in the graphical solution it is 6.3. The answers are very near. Answers are very near or very close. So the solution is correct. Solution is correct. So we go to the next slide. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next slide or the next problem. Problem number 2. I think this problem is very simple. You can do it. It is similar to the previous problem. Okay, but here it is in degrees. So while simplifying the equations, you need to convert or you need to take the mode into degree mode. Okay, because the answer will be sine A sine B, sine A sine B, cos A cos B. So sine A sine B is sine 30 degree. Take it in degree mode. Degree mode so that you will get answer. So you can find out the value of x and theta in this problem, second problem. Okay. I think analytical solution you can do, but you need to complete it and tell me. But I'll go to the graphical solution. Analytical solution, you need to do your own. analytical solution. Let us go to the graphical solution. The graphical solution, the first equation, x1 is equal to you leave 2 pages for the analytical solution, please. 3 sine omega t plus 30 degree. It is already converted to 30 degree or degrees from radians, right? No need to convert it again. Next, x2 is equal to, it is sine, you just keep it as it is, no problem. x2 is equal to 4 cos theta, 4 cos omega t plus 10 degrees. Here cos, you need to convert that into sine. Okay. How to convert that into sine? Hello? How do you convert this into sine? See, I'm going to convert this into sine because 4 cos, sorry, sine, right? I'll keep it as it is, cos. I'll rewrite this equation, omega t plus 100 degree minus 90 degree. Is it correct or not? 10 degree is nothing but 100 minus 90. 100 minus 90. It is equal to, here, let us consider this as theta. Okay, 90 minus theta, sorry, or theta minus 90, right? Theta minus 90. Is equal to 4 into sine omega t plus 100. Is it okay? The cos omega t plus 10 degree same ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? Is it correct or not? Sine omega t plus 100. We'll get the same answer, not an issue. See here, you can take it as plus 90 directly, no problem. Is it okay? Ten, right? One at the same. You can do like this also. You can take minus 900 minus 90. Then that can be converted into sine. Otherwise, you can directly take as the same as the previous problem, right? So here, sine omega t into 100 degree plus 100 degree. So x1, x2. Directly, you can take it in the graph. I'm going to take a graphical solution. Unit or scale. Is there any doubt in these equations? Similar equations, right? Similar to the previous problem. Is there any doubt? Hello? Please answer.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Okay. Next, scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, because the maximum unit is 4, right? You can take 1:1 scale, no problem. Otherwise, you can take it 1 centimeter is equal to 2 unit also, no problem, because 3 and 4, I think it will be very small. It will be very difficult to measure the angles, right? Okay. So next is X and Y. X and Y. First equation is 30° and the unit is 3. Take 30°. Unit is 3. 3 means 6 units, right? Because double, 2 unit. 1 centimeter is equal to 2 unit. I think it is wrong. It is 2 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, correct? Correct. Yeah, 2 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. 1 unit means 2 centimeter. Means 3 unit means 6 centimeters, right? Cut the length. 6. Cut the length to 6 centimeter. I'll cut it here. This is A1 is equal to 3 units. Angle is 30°. Similarly, second equation, 100°, unit is 4. 100°, unit is 4 means 8 centimeter, right? 8 centimeter. So A2 is equal to 8 centimeter or 4 unit. 4 unit, 8 centimeter. So this is what A, this is B, this is O, and the corresponding angle is 100°. 100°. Next, I have to draw a vertical line or the parallel line from point A parallel to OB. Parallel to OB. And similarly, parallel to OA. Right? This point is C, and this is parallel to this line. Join the corner C to corner O. This is what A. The corresponding angle of A is theta. Now find out the value of A, length, theta, angle. Tell me the answers. Tell me the answers, please. A ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ಆನ್ಸರ್? ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. A it is equal to length of OC into scale. It is equal to, what is the length of OC? Please, can anyone answer? Actual length, scale 1/2. One is to one scale tagondre, it is very easy, but I think it will be more complicated because the labeling around it takes space, right? So that's why I have taken it as 1:2 scale. What is the length of OC? ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡಿದಾರ ಅಂತ ಮಾರೆ ಮಾತಾಡುದಿರಲ್ಲ. Hello, completed. Namrat. Namrat. Namrat, am I audible? Namrat. Okay, Ashish Azri, it is 10.5. Actual length, right? 10.5. Namrat, am I audible? I'll put absent. You're not able to answer. Okay, Javid is getting 6 point something, right? 6, right? Yeah, 6 centimeter, exact value. Angle is 70 degree. Namrat, if you're not able to answer, please. You cannot consider the attendance. Nitin Narona.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer for length of OC? Can anyone tell me the length of OC, Javid?
Sir, I took 1:1 scale, sir.
1:1 scale. Okay, no problem. Those are taken 1:2 scale. Please, can anyone answer for length of OC? Mohammad Yasin. Okay, 11.5. Ravin Sonal.
Yes, sir.
Mohammad Yasin, what is the answer?
Five, 11.5 I got.
Okay, 11.5 means 5.75, correct?
Yes, sir.
Units. Okay, whatever it may be. Theta is 70 degree. All are getting the same answer, 70 degree. Chandan P. Namrat is there in the group. Chandan P. Okay, please solve this problem by analytical method. Compare the value, whether it is correct or not. If it is correct, you can write, otherwise you can check the answers. Okay. Keep it in the degree mode because the angle is in degree here. Analytical solution while solving, simplifying. Okay, please do it. Next, while coming to the next class, you need to complete it. Okay, next is the third problem. Problem number 3. Please note down. Third problem. The motion of the particle is given by x is equal to 2 into sine omega t plus pi by 6. This motion is due to two components, and one of this is sine omega t minus pi by 3. Find the other component analytically and check the solution graphically. Here, instead of giving addition of 2 SHM, he has given the resultant and one component. You need to find out the other component. So one component, okay. See here we have two different components. If we add those two components, that is x1 plus x2, we'll get x. So x is given here. x1 is given. x2 we need to find out. Okay. Find the other component and check the solutions graphically. You need to check the solution graphically. Okay, let us start the problem. We have given x is equal to 2 into sine omega t plus pi by 6, and he has given x1 is equal to sine nothing in the place of a, means that indicates there is a 1. Okay, amplitude is 1 here. Sine omega t minus pi by 3. See, angle theta is in radians. Okay. x1 is also given in the problem. It is equal to, you can rewrite this equation, x is equal to 2 into sine omega t plus, what is pi by 6 into degrees? I think it is 30 degree, correct? Pi by 6, pi by 2 is 90 degree, pi by 6 is 30 degree, correct? Is equal to 2 into, sorry, here it is, sine 1 into sine omega t minus pi by 3 is 60 degree, right? Okay, according to the problem, he has given x is equal to x1 plus x2. Okay, therefore, x2 is equal to x minus x1. X minus x1. Is equal to, what is x? X is 2 into sine omega t plus 30. Take 30 degree only, because keep it in radians angle mode, degree mode, and solve it. Otherwise, it will be very difficult to substitute pi by 6, pi by 3 every time, right? So that's why I have converted that into degrees. Okay, you can keep it in the radians and keep the calculator in radian mode and can solve, no problem. No issue. Next, sine omega t minus 60 degree. Let x2 is equal to a2 into sine omega t plus theta. Let us consider x2. What is the value of x2? x2 is equal to a2 sine omega t plus theta. We need to find out the value of theta and a2. Correct? This is what equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Substitute equation number 2. Two in one. Please copy this. Yes, students, I'll upload the IA marks to Google Classroom. You can check your marks, okay? I'll upload it later in the evening or in the afternoon. You can check it. Okay, so very simple. It is similar to the first two problems, but instead of taking x, I have taken x2 because x is given, x1 is given, x2 we need to find out. So x2 is equal to a2 sine omega t plus theta. If it is x, I have taken it as a, right? But here it is a2 because it is x2. Next, finished? Hello? Finished or not?
Yes, sir. Finished.
Okay. Let us go to the next. Substitute equation 2 in 1. What it says 1, x2 is equal to. What is the value of x2? a2. a2 sine omega t plus theta is equal to. What is the first equation? 2 into sine omega t plus 30. 2 into sine omega t plus 30 degrees. Plus or minus, right? Minus sine omega t minus 60. Minus 60. So a2 into sine a plus b. Sine a cos b plus cos a sine b is equal to 2 into sine a plus b sine omega t cos 30 plus cos omega t into sine 30 minus sine a minus b. Sine a minus b. Sine a minus b, what is the answer? Sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. Correct? Sine a minus b. Sine a minus b is equal to sine a sine b. Sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. So keep it in degree mode. For the second problem also similar problem. Second problem is similar, right? Please, while doing the second problem, I have not done analytical solution. You have to do it. See here, a2. You multiply a2. I'll multiply it a2 sine omega t cos theta plus a2 cos omega t sine theta is equal to 2 into sine omega t into cos 30. Keep it in degree mode. First problem, radian mode. Very first problem. Here, calci, radian mode. Please write down the first problem. Second problem. The second problem also it is radian mode, okay? Sorry, degree mode. Third problem is also degree mode. Tell me the answer for cos 30.
Zero point eight six six.
Yes,
0.86602. 86602.
0.86602. Okay. Plus 2 into cos omega t sin 30. Sin 30 is manta
0.5.
0.5 ah?
0.5. Yes, sir.
Okay, minus sin omega t into cos 60. Cos 60 sin 60. ಹೇಳಿ answer.
Point five.
Huh?
Cos 60.
ಎಷ್ಟು?
Cos 60.5.
Cos 60.5 ah? ಇದು sin 60.
Zero. 0.86602. 0.86602.
02 86602 ಅಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಈಗ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ರೈಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೀರೈಟ್ ದ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್. Sin omega t into a2 cos theta plus cos omega t into a2 sin theta is equal to 2 into this plus this the minus this, where you have to multiply substitute ಮಾಡಿ simplify ಮಾಡಿ ಇವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇವು simplify ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿ. do it fast. 2 into 0.86602 minus 0.5 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ನೋಡಿ. ಸ್ಲೋ ಇದೀರ ಮನೆ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಲೋ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. $1.866 ಬಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1.232 cos omega t ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Hello, is it correct? 2 into 0.86602 minus 0.5. Ishpant, answer. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ.
Correct, sir.
ಸರಿ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0.5 ಇಂಟು 2 ಅಲ್ಲ 1 ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು.
0.5 into 1. ಯಾಕೆ ಡೌಟ್? ಆಚೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಹೇಗೆ ಇದು? 1.66 ಆಚೆ 1.866 ಆಚೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ ಹೇಗೆ?
ಸರ್ ಆಚೆ ಈಚೆ
No,
ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ
sir.
ಸರ್.
No, sir. Correct.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
Cos omega t.
ಸರ್ 1.232 sin omega t.
Sin omega t and cos omega t.
1.232 ಸೈನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ?
ಹಾ.
ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕೇಳಿ. ನೀವು ಹೇಳುದಿಲ್ಲ ಮರ, ಧೈರ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಈಚೆಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 1.8 ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? 1.866 ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
0.134 ಸರ್.
ಯಾವುದು?
cos omega t.
ನಿಮ್ದು ಕಾಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ವಂತ ಮಾರ. ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ. ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಕಾಸ್ 2 into 0.5 2 into 0.5 is equal to 1 minus or 1 plus 0.86 0.86620 1.86 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ? 8602. Okay, so write down. ಏನ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕದು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, equating the corresponding coefficients of.
ಸರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, 1 ಮೈನಸ್
ಏನ
ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ cos omega t.
ಯಾವುದು ಮೈನಸ್?
1 minus 0.866.
1 minus
ಅದು ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಯಾವುದು ಮೇಲೆ ಇದಾ?
ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಅದು ಮೈನಸ್ cos omega t into 0.866.
ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಹಲೋ,
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಓಕೆ.
ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇದೆ ಮೈನಸ್. ಇದು ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಸೈನ್ ಒಮೆಗಾ ಟಿ ಮೈನಸ್ 60 ಅಲ್ಲ? ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್. ಈ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್, ರೈಟ್? ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಸೈನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್. ಕಾಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಈ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್, this is the cost term. So equating the coefficient, the coefficient of the corresponding term, corresponding terms, a2 cos theta is equal to 1.23 1.2328 ಅಲ್ಲ? a2 sin theta is equal to 1.86 86602 alva. Okay, squaring and adding. Squaring and adding equation number 3 and 4. 3 and 4. What it says, x a square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta is equal to 1 plus 2.28 square plus 1.86602 square. So a common term 1, a square is equal to, answer ready, a is equal to a2 alladu a2 square. Answer for a2. Similarly, equation 4 divided by 3, tan theta is equal to 1.86602 divided by 1.2328. Answer for a2. ಮಂದಿ ನಾನು ನಮ್ರತ್ ವಾಪಸ್ ಓದೋನು. Namrat is back. Namrat, tell me the answer for A2. A2.
2.2364.
2.234. Okay, 2.234 units. What about theta? Theta is equal to tan inverse of, ಎಷ್ಟು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇರೋದು? $1.5136. 1.5136. Answer for theta. Hey, ಹೇಳ್ರ ಬೇಗ.
$56.54.
56.54 degrees. Therefore, the component x2 is given by x2 is equal to a2 is 2.234 sin omega t plus theta is 56.54 degree. Graphical solution. Take 1:1 scale, okay? Negative value is there because here x2 equation is minus, right? Negative is there. That's why you need to take positive x-axis, positive y-axis as well as negative y-axis. Y minus y, x. Scale 1:1. Okay, first one, x equation, 30 degree, 2 unit. Take 30 degree, plus 30 degree, right? Take 30 degree, 2 unit. I'll cut the length 2 unit here. A is equal to 2 unit and angle is 30 degree. Next, A1 is given. A1, X1 is given. X1 is minus 60 degree. You take this sign also, okay? Minus 60, but the amplitude is 1 unit. Minus 60, you need to measure the angle 60 degree in the negative direction, clockwise direction. Okay, minus 60. The unit is 1 unit. I'll cut the length to 1 unit. So here, A1 is 1. Actually, this point is A, right? So if x1, x2 is given, we'll find out value of x. So the diagonal of the parallelogram will be the value of amplitude of x. But here x is given. This is what point C. This is what point A. You need to find out the value of B, or the point B. So here you need to join this. Please copy this first. Copy this. I'll take another 2 minutes. Do it fast. Copy this. See, last time what we have done, we have taken one angle. This is what θ1. This is what θ2. And we have drawn a parallel line. And we have joined it. This is C. This is A. This is B, correct? But here I have A and C. A and C. I have to find out B. So if you know the value of point A and C, you can join point A to C, right? I'll join point A to C. If I want to find out the point B, I have to draw a parallel line to this line from point O. Correct? And point C also parallel to this line. I'll get point B. So this is what the angle theta and the corresponding amplitude is A2. Find out the value of theta and A2. Tell me the answer. Here in this problem, he has given this triangle, half of the parallelogram, or the triangle, half portion of the parallelogram. You need to find out the remaining half. Because point C and point A is given. You just draw this roughly. You can compare this to this. So you'll come to know how to do it. Otherwise, you'll get confused. Okay. It's somewhat different. The graphical solution is somewhat different from the previous one because the resultant is given. This is given and this is given. What A1 is given. We need to find out the value of A2. But in the previous case, A1 and A2 is given, but we need to find out the value of A. Diagonal we need to find. But here we need to find out the side of the parallelogram. A2. Tell me the answer for theta and A2. Please do it fast. It's almost 11:20. Do it fast. We need to join another class, right? Next class. Can anyone tell me the answer for A2? Hello? Can anyone tell me the answer for A2 and theta? Hello? Am I audible? Tell me the answer. Answer please, theta and A2. Understood or not? You're not able to get it? I can do it in the next class. Please tell me. Don't hesitate. Hello? Answer ಹೇಳ್ರೋ ಯಾರಾದ್ರು. Ritvik?
Yes, sir.
Solving.
Answer?
Solving.
Doing. Okay, you complete it. Look at this. First, you take this line. Okay, which one? 30-degree line, because it's a plus 30. Take it in the counterclockwise direction. Plus 30 and take the length as 2 unit. Mark it as C because it is a resultant, right? It is a resultant. Next, you take minus 60 because x1 answer is minus 60 angle. Theta angle is minus 60. Take it in the opposite direction, minus 60, and the length is 1 unit. 1 unit. And join, take this point as A. Then join A to C. We'll get a triangle, right? So triangle is a half portion of the parallelogram, right? So we have got this triangle, half triangle, correct? We need to take remaining half. So remaining half means you need to take the line from point O, which is parallel to AC, parallel to AC. There is AC, yeah, AC, parallel to AC, this line. And again, parallel to OA, you need to take one more line from C, that is BC. We'll get a point B, show it in the dotted line. Then the corresponding angle is theta and the length is A2. Measure A2 and theta, will get the answer. So compare this theta and A2 with analytical solution. If it is similar or if it is very near, then you can say your answer is right. Otherwise, you need to check the solution, both graphical as well as analytical. Okay. Okay, thank you. We'll, if possible, we'll do it in the next class. Graphical solution. Try to complete it. Okay. Thank you.